Art of Resume. Now I will be showing you how to change the border colors. First, you'll have to put your cursor along the border. Next, go to the top menu, the border button. You can see, if you hover, you can see borders. Go to the down arrow and select borders and shading. From here, you can change the color. You can change the width. And you can change the distance from the text by hitting options, putting in your distance, selecting OK. Now, very important, you need to apply it to your preview by double clicking on these buttons until you see your border and hitting OK. Next, to change the text box border, you will have to double click on the text box and you'll see a format shape window open on the right side. Under line, you can change the colors and the widths. This is the same for any vertical or horizontal line. Just double click until the format shape window opens, where you can change the color and you can change the width. And that's how you change your borders and lines colors.